2026 Kia Forte, affordable compact with excellent reliability ratings. The 2026 Kia Forte remains a top contender for reliable, affordable compact cars under $30,000, offering a perfect balance of style, performance, and long-term dependability. Ideal for commuters, students, and small families, the Forte delivers modern technology, efficient powertrains, and a comfortable ride at a highly competitive price. Under the hood, the 2026 Forte comes with two engine options. The base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine produces 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque, delivering smooth, reliable performance for daily driving. For those seeking a sportier experience, the available 1.6-liter turbocharged engine generates 201 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, offering quick, responsive acceleration without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Both engines deliver impressive mileage, making the Forte one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. The Forte's chassis and suspension provide a comfortable, stable ride while maintaining nimble handling. Its compact size and precise steering make it easy to maneuver through city streets and tight parking spaces, while highway stability ensures confidence on longer journeys. Exterior styling has been updated for 2026 with Kia's signature tiger nose grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Higher trims like the Forte GT offer sporty 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels, rear spoiler, and aggressive styling cues, giving the compact car a bold, athletic presence. Inside, the 2026 Forte delivers a modern, user-friendly cabin. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, while higher trims offer a 10.25-inch touchscreen display, digital gauge cluster, and Bose premium audio system. Comfortable seating, soft-touch materials, and available features such as heated front seats, wireless charging, and dual-zone climate control make the Forte feel far more upscale than its price tag suggests. Safety is a key focus. Standard Kia DriveWise technologies include forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance, and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance. These features, combined with multiple airbags and a strong crash test rating, make the Forte a safe, reliable choice for drivers and families alike. Practicality is also impressive for a compact car. The Forte sedan offers 14.9 cubic feet of trunk space, while the hatchback variant provides even more flexibility for carrying cargo. Combined with Kia's excellent 10-year per 100,000-mile powertrain warranty and reputation for low maintenance costs, the 2026 Forte is built for worry-free, long-term ownership. In real-world driving, the Forte impresses with smooth acceleration, agile handling, and dependable performance. Its combination of fuel efficiency, reliability, and modern technology makes it one of the best compact cars under $30,000 in 2026. For buyers seeking a stylish, reliable, and affordable vehicle that offers great value for the money, the 2026 Kia Forte remains a top choice in the compact sedan segment.